Agreements, decisions or practices between competitors that seek to fix prices, limit output, share markets, customers or sources of supply, and other cartel behavior, such as bid rigging, are regarded as harmful to competition. Such conducts threaten the foundations of free market economies and are therefore punishable under the Competition Act of Kenya. However, there are instances where agreements or collaborative practices between competitors can prove beneficial or obtain benefit for the public. In such instances, the Competition Authority of Kenya is empowered by the Competition Act to grant exemptions that allow such agreements so long as they 1. Maintain or promote exports, 2. Improve or prevent a decline in the production and distribution of goods and services, 3. Promote technical or economic progress or stability in an industry, and 4. Obtain a benefit for the public which outweighs the lessening of competition that the practice occasions. Further, the authority may, upon application, grant an exemption in relation to any agreement or practices concerning the exercise of intellectual property rights and professional association agreements as provided for under Sections 28 and 29 of the Competition Act, respectively. If as a business you believe that particular collaborations or agreements will result in greater public good when compared to the negative impact on competition, you can make an exemption application through our e-filing portal. Start by creating an account on the portal. Click on Register and enter the respective details as directed by the platform. Once registered, log on to the system and click on the menu button, followed by Exemption Application on the selection panel. The form has instructions on what should be filled based on the nature of the information needed. You should read these instructions before proceeding to apply for an exemption. Ensure all fields in the exemption application form are populated, that is, none should be left blank. Also, ensure that the information and attachments intended to be submitted to the authority is verified and is in order. Download the Declaration Schedule Exemption Application Form provided as a hyperlink on the exemption application form, fill it, and upload it in PDF format. Any other relevant attachments, including but not limited to agreement subject to the exemption application and the confidentiality claim form, should be attached once they have been filled in. After verifying that all required fields have been filled and all attachments are in order, click Submit. Upon submission, the portal will auto-generate a response confirming receipt of the application by the authority. The portal will also enable you to track the progress of the case from the homepage on login. Remember, parties found culpable of infringing the competition law may, following a criminal prosecution, be imprisoned for a term not exceeding 5 years, a maximum fine of 10 million shillings, or both. The authority may also administratively impose a penalty of up to 10% of the undertaking's preceding year's turnover. Finally, a top tip from your man Billy. Where businesses are unsure whether an agreement is likely to negatively affect competition, they should seek an advisory opinion from the authority. Advisory opinions are offered free of charge. For this and other top tips on what is applicable for an exemption application, visit www.cak.go.ke. Competition Authority of Kenya, creating efficient markets for consumers.